Hey everyone, welcome back to From Zero to Affiliate Hero 90 Days Journey. I'm Matt and today is day 68. We're continuing to promote paid online writing jobs and I've been seeing some solid results. Today, we'll be setting up another email to keep this moving forward. Plus, we're just a few days away from starting our next promotion, the Home Business Academy, so let's talk about this too. Sales are still coming in and we're building momentum with paid online writing jobs. I'll show you how we're setting up today's email campaign. And remember, on day 71, we'll be kicking off the promotion for Home Business Academy, a powerful $25 funnel builder that's also an incredible affiliate offer. Let's dive in. Let's take a quick look at the stats from yesterday's email campaign for paid online writing jobs. Let's go to MLGS statistics. So the engagement rate is steady, opens and clicks are coming in, and we're building the foundation for success. Now, let's set up today's email using another swipe provided by the offer as usual. Okay, let's go to the affiliate page. We'll be using email number 3. Let's copy it fully to our document. Now, let's make the all necessary changes, and let's start with the introduction. Now let's read through the email. Okay, there is a country, so we need to change it to your country. Okay, that's done. Now let's go to the bottom and let's sign the email. Okay, we have that signed. So now let's move on to Hoplink. Let's change your ClickBank ID. And as always, I'm adding the TID to track the where the lead is coming from. Okay, we have that. Now let's copy it and encode it in ClickBank. Let's log into our account. Go to Affiliate Link Tools, encode, paste your link, and that's it. Okay, copy the link, paste it in your document. Now let's check where we can enter the hop link. There is only one spot. That's fine. So let's just copy again the hop link and let's insert it in the spot we want to. Since we have the email ready, now let's set it up in MLGS. Let's go to the mailing system, select all the leads. Now let's grab the subject. Now the email body. Let's copy it. Now paste it. As always, highlight only the link so it's more prominent. Select the perfect timing. And if everything is in order, send email. Wait for the timer as always. Perfect. So before we wrap up, I want to remind you that starting on the day 71, we'll be promoting the Home Business Academy. HBA is not only a powerful $25 funnel builder, but is also an affiliate offer that gives you the chance to earn commission while using the tool to grow your own online business. If you want to get ahead, you can sign up now using the link in the description below. It's a great way to build a solid foundation for your business and your income. If you want to connect with others on this journey, get tips, or ask questions, make sure to join our Affiliate Success Hub Facebook group. It's a great community where we share strategies, wins, and help each other grow. The link is in the description, so come join us today. So that's it for the day 68. We're keeping the momentum going with paid online writing jobs. And remember, just 3 days until we start promoting Home Business Academy. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and give this video a thumbs up. As always, all the important links are in the description below. Let's keep pushing forward, and I'll see you tomorrow for another update.